I am so surprised at how good this anime looks. Like, the production value, I just thought that it was just gonna be another generic, you know, trashy isekai that we just like eat up like guilty pleasure as usual. But no, this is quality. Absolute quality. I have one fear though, and I haven't done my research. Maybe someone can let me know, but season 2, is it gonna be bad? Did a studio change? Did the existing team basically change? So we shouldn't expect, you know, the same quality of season 1 versus season 2? I mean, I've also only watched one episode. Maybe the quality in episode 1 is catfishing me and doesn't, you know, continue overall. But from the first impressions from my audience as well, you guys are eating this shit up. So it's looking like we find a hidden gem to farm. And remember, April, season 2 is coming on. Of course, we're preparing for that. Let's begin today's reaction. Very cute sound effects. Multiple flicks. 25 slimes every day. I want a 2x EXP booster. So it's like 50 a day. Nah, she's just chilling. It is actually still impressive that she was able to kill 25 slimes every day. No matter how simple, no matter how easy or fun something may be, to do that every day, you would go insane. Straight up. Like, even like your favorite food or like your favorite game, whatever. If you do that shit every day, there will come a point when your mental state is gonna start cracking. You're gonna really make her farm slimes? Is the strongest dragon really gonna start like farming slimes every day? For 600 years, she can farm more than that, but really, and she's taking the, like, she's like, yeah, okay, I will do it, master. Like, what? I worry about the ecosystem here. I'm worried. What if they run out of slimes, bro? I'm really worried. One of the coolest thing about this show too, that I noticed last episode, is the sky. The daylight sky, you can see the stars. It's really simple, right? All you have to do is just put some white fucking dots on a blue sky. But something as simple as that just adds so much. Uh-oh. Oh, who's this? Is she the queen of slimes? Along came the girl. The girl slime? Can she cook? I hope she's good. Yeah? Omurice. Salad. Looks actually good. That's a lot. That's a portion for a dragon. This voice acting. She's shocked. This food could feed the village. Oh, that egg animation though. I feel like it's missing ketchup. Well, the village is like a tutorial land, right? It's like a really chill place. I don't think we should expect any threats to happen, but one evil mage, uh-oh. Foreshadowing? I mean, for 300 years, it's been chilling. You know what? I think that girl in the intro, the girl in the forest that had that slime aura, she's gonna do that. She's gonna be like, you dare try to exterminate our species, we're gonna attack the village now. You can just create magic. That is bullshit. Okay. Man, Laika's just carrying. There's an all-girl school for dragons? That's interesting. I wanna go. I don't wanna go, but I wanna see what that looks like. The more I say it, it sounds weird. I'm trying to say appreciate the system that exists in this world for dragons to have an oak. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay. It's like an Ojo-sama district like in Toru. We've erected a barrier. What? Uh-oh. What happened? Abandoned! We caught them criminals. Bald! Could the barrier distinguish like good people and evil people? The barrier was intelligent enough to know that this guy's like a thief and he took it out? Oh. We had such a big issue like that? Glaze. Glaze. More credits. It's all Laika's idea. Yeah. Bald. Erect. They love saying erect when it comes to barriers. Yes, I've subjugated the dragon. They love these two, man. Oh. That's kind of cute. You know how like, you know, you're supposed to like blow air into these furnaces to keep the fire going, but she's literally breathing fire into it. Don't jinx it. Oh, you jinxed it. I told you, you shouldn't have said that. Slime girl? Oh? This is different from the intro girl, I think. Mama? Mama? Why are we mama? So something happened in the 300 years? Yeah, who are you? My little sister. The little sister must be the purple hair girl that we saw in the intro scene today, right? Or was she green hair? Anyways, there's another girl that looked just like her, that had like the slime aura happening. Let me try to guess. Why would they call us mama? Because they were born due to Azusa. We don't have to give birth to it. But maybe there's like a mechanic where like the more you farm the slimes, the more you endanger the species, they start to evolve. Like out of necessity, a stronger slime is created. And now they're cute lollies. And because we were the reason that pressured them to evolve, we are now mama. Does that make sense? Love child? No. Think about what? You didn't have some love children? Well then. Yo, Falfa snitching. Aww. What if this is all a plan? Like a scam? Like Falfa is a secret double agent. And like she is acting like she's snitching. But she's actually buttering us up and infiltrating the base. And we're about to die. Resemble you? Huh? Falfa Sharucha. Nice names. Who's the dad? Killed her and all? Killed the slime? Smite evil magic. Witches? We're categorized as a human, are we? How many years has Shalsha been planning? 300 years maybe? 300 years ago? 50 years ago? And this is why age does not matter in anime, guys. This is a 50-year-old fucking woman. Grown ass 50-year-old hag. Yet it's a lolly! Isn't that convenient?
だとすると強力な術者である恐れもありますね。でも何になるんだろう。
Smite evil witch. It's coming. Look at that evil ominous slime aura.
会えた。
Shalsha crash out incoming.
シャルさん、ママをいじめちゃダメだよ。殺された。
I guess we farmed her. I guess at one point we killed her. But she's back. But was she always like a human form before? Are these slimes again, the more you kill, they're able to evolve and get stronger and now they become like lollies?
晴らす。シャル社長、私があなたを殺したなんてありえないでしょ。多くのスライムを
We did.
殺した。
We did do that.
どういうこと？
You guys are slimes.
実は私たちスライムの魂が集まって生まれたいわばスライムの精霊なの。
Not quite evolutions. But the slime spirits have manifested into these like lollies. Okay. That's why we're the mama. Okay.
スライムの精霊。お前を殺して。
I feel bad.
そう言われても
300 years of slime killing has led up to this.
暑さで
No! Laika is a fucking wild and out. This girl shows up with so much hostility and anger. It's like, and we pretty much did them wrong. Hey, we should use a tornado. Let's just get rid of it.
で倒してしまう危険もないでしょうし。
Okay.
まあ拉致が開かないからね。風よ、今こそ我のしもべとなりて消えよ。消えて。
Whoa! Countered.
かき消すほどの
She's been grinding.
お前を殺すために長年
50 years to grind. That laser eye.
高原の魔女。
The specific one. The more specific the magic is, the more effective it is. That's what they said, right? So if you like isolate it into specifically you, Witch of the Highland, she should counter so hard. But this girl's so cute. I can't take her seriously. Look how cute she looks, bro. And these like even the evil slime aura. It's supposed to look menacing with the purple color, but it's all of it is so cute.
高原の魔女。覇者、高原の魔女。覇者の魔法は範囲が狭いほどその力が強くなるものがあれば。お前のどんな魔法も無効化さら。どんな魔法でも使ってみればいい。
Tornado. No, we already tried that. Laika, do something.
赤き炎、青き炎。
She decided to watch me. I've seen Jujutsu Kaisen. Red, blue, hollow purple the slime lolly. Like I thought for a second she would walk up and hug. I truly did. I thought that maybe like, oh, I'm so sorry. My bad for killing you slimes for 250 years. And you basically were created because of my sins. My bad. But she's like, nah. Hollow purple. Doesn't work. Hard counters her. Look at the training camp! Okay. Even knowing that spells that consume that much mana will in case. She has 1 hour of uptime to beat the Witch of the Highlands. That's really cute though. Look at that. She's like doing cardio with having the slimes as like, you know, extra weight. She's doing sit-ups. I don't know what kind of fucking sit-ups these are. I don't think these sit-ups will actually help you, but it doesn't matter. She's reading books. She's researching. She's meditating under the waterfall. Man, this is too cute and funny.
時間しか持たないのに効率悪っ。これは狙いは私だけ。ライカやファルファちゃんに危害を加えられるこたつから逃げられず過労死した。
Now you can't escape this.
知っている。苦しいと魔法よ消えろ。
Can't fly anymore?
もう危ないな。レベル99の魔女じゃなかったら逃がしはしない。
Damn, she is determined. That eye. Are we actually gonna die?
300年も生きてきたしな。
We're gonna rest in peace?
あなたらしかったよ。そんなこと言わないで。観念するが。
Laika! Yeah.
ここから先は。
Oh, look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that latte art intermission scene animation. That's pretty cool. Salsta can't beat Laika. Your magic shouldn't work that hard on Laika. Did 1 hour, get up? Because she could only use it for 1 hour? Or more, it's more like she's only good against the Highland Witch, the Smite magic, right? It only works on specific things. Not Laika, the Red Dragon. So obviously she can't fucking beat Laika. That was the cutest little fall though. Oh, it hurts. Are you there? Yes, she has. That's gotta be the cutest fight I've ever seen. Yep. She only counters Mama. She's gonna crash out immediately. Chill, chill! He's out of mana. 2 hands then? This is too goddamn adorable. This is getting existential. Her entire reason for living gone. If I die, then there is no reason for you to exist anymore. Okay. So for the rest of eternity, you're Azusa will just basically act as a target in order for, Shalsa to be happy. That's kind of cute. Wow. Can we become twins? She cares about you because you're my daughter. Because I'm Mama. She still did. She did do that. My bad. But if the slimes weren't killed, you two wouldn't be here, right? I'm just trying to cope. I'm just trying to gaslight her into justifying the murders of slimes for 250 years. True. And, to be fair, slimes also started to attack her first, right? We were chilling, and we were just walking around, and the slimes pulled up with all hostility. Like, we didn't do that. The slimes did that. Sounds. Yeah, thanks to the sacrifices. Thanks to the genocide of our brothers and sisters. We have been born. We should cherish our lives. Yeah. Nowhere. They're homeless. A shack? Why don't you come live with us here? Yeah. I think the reason that this show is doing so well and kind of maintains this whole cute and wholesome vibes is the fact that Azusa is a girl. Imagine if this is a guy. Like, so many isekais exist where the guy just gets a harem, right? Dragon waifu, lolis, and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. But something about the main character being a girl in this, being like a wholesome witch mama, now the vibes are immaculate because of that. Aww. Yeah, it's more mama. Come on, call me mama. Oh, goddamn adorable. Dinner party! Evil slimes? Good and evil? Okay. Which ones did we kill? If they're bad, I guess. What the hell was that? Her ear is flapped. It's like trigger. It's like a guide. A slime. Is this an evil slime? The lighter color are evil. Where is it? Hold on, she breaking the fourth wall! Omaera Shindeiru, that's a Fist of the North Star reference! So cute. I saw that. Wow. Something about this feels really fucked up. I thought that, like, we messed up and we were so evil and we committed genocide, but actually killing slimes is alright. And suddenly these girls just killing these slimes so casually. I don't know, it feels, I don't know. I feel what Azusa is feeling. What happened here? What's going on? Azusa is like crack, like, you know. What? Oh, she's probably saying like, I'm mama. Sorry. They're probably saying we are Azusa's daughters. This is mama. And she'd be like, no. I don't have love children. No. The chicken again. What is up with this statue? Like, they keep showing us this. Why is there a rooster as like, it's such a majestic chicken too with like such wide wings. It kind of looks like a Pegasus / chicken. Why is it here? What is the lore? Wow. Very smart. You could be a tour guide here. What the fuck? What was the last one? And the owner threw out their back the other day. How did you know all this? Shrine Road? What? Stuff. They are very smart. Dear Lord, that omurice. There's a lot. We need to increase our family. And I'm sure this is not the end. There's so many girls in the openings, man. Like, I'm sure our family's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. They don't want to eat the vegetables. No celery for the slime girls. Eat your veggies. Dessert. Eat your celery. What? Eat your celery. Why did you prepare celery? You made dinner. You made this celery soup. Why did you do this? Not gonna lie, I would never drink that celery soup. That looks nasty. Isn't this wholesome? The chiffon cake. Yeah. Ain't this nice? Yeah? Demon? I mean, in the opening, I think that we saw some sort of demon castle thing, right? With maybe a demon lord there, but yeah, we should get like one of everything. I wonder if this, like, if we're going to be collecting one of each species, will this somehow start from her wanting to have like a happy, you know, wholesome family into like, this is now like a sanctuary. This is like the place where all different species are able to coexist, and suddenly maybe like Holy Empire Church. You know, like literally in Tensura, how Rimuru is building like a sanctuary for all different species to exist. Then like you have like the human elitist, you know, the church saying like we need to wage war against it. Like would that stuff happen? I don't know how serious this story is gonna go, but it's looking like we're going in the direction where our family's gonna get bigger and bigger of different species. And that's it. This episode, really cute. The slime sisters are born from 250 years of killing slimes, and the slime spirits decided enough is enough. We're going to create these, you know, humanoid things, and they're so cute. Falfa is like, you know, very into Mama right off the bat, but Shelsa had this vengeance. And she had learned this magic that's only effective to Mama, which is pretty useless now, right? Like if she, I mean, I'm sure the show isn't really about fighting, but like basically her magic is useless unless it's against Mama. Maybe there's gonna be like an episode where Mama gets controlled and Shelsa can, you know, pop up, but she can only use it for 1 hour as well. Laika's great at cooking. Our family is growing. We're talking about maybe if we're gonna get like an elf or a demon, and based on the visuals, it's looking like we are. And that's it from me. If you're still here though, if you enjoyed this reaction, please like the video. Check out the other playlists for even more content. And until next time, take care.